When it comes to muscle growth, many people focus on protein intake and weightlifting routines, but vitamins also play a crucial role in supporting muscle development. Vitamins aid in energy production, protein synthesis, and overall muscle function. Here are the 7 best vitamins that can help enhance muscle growth. 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for the absorption of calcium, which is vital for muscle contraction and strength. It also plays a role in the production of testosterone, a hormone that significantly impacts muscle growth. Sources of vitamin D include sunlight exposure, fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products and cereals, and egg yolks. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial for the synthesis of collagen, which is important for muscle and connective tissue repair. Its antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation caused by intense workouts, aiding in faster recovery and growth. You can find vitamin C in citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative damage during exercise. It enhances muscle endurance and prevents muscle damage, promoting quicker recovery and growth. Good sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach, and avocado. 4. B vitamins, B6, B12, and folate. The B vitamins, particularly B6, B12, and folate, are essential for protein metabolism and energy production. Vitamin B6 aids in amino acid metabolism, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Vitamin B12 is involved in red blood cell production, ensuring muscles receive adequate oxygen during exercise. Folate plays a role in DNA synthesis and repair, important for muscle growth and recovery. Sources of B vitamins include whole grains, lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and leafy greens. 5. Vitamin A. Vitamin A supports protein synthesis and muscle repair. It also aids in the production of glycogen, the stored form of glucose used for energy during exercise. Adequate vitamin A levels ensure muscles have the energy required for intense workouts. You can obtain vitamin A from sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and liver. 6. Vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a critical role in bone health, which indirectly supports muscle growth by providing a strong framework for muscles to attach and grow. It is also involved in blood clotting, which is essential for recovery from injuries and intense exercise. Leafy green vegetables, such as kale, spinach, and broccoli, are excellent sources of vitamin K. 7. Vitamin B3, niacin. Vitamin B3, or niacin, is important for energy production and improving muscle endurance. It helps convert carbohydrates into energy, ensuring muscles have the fuel needed for prolonged and intense workouts. Additionally, niacin supports healthy blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles more efficiently. Foods rich in vitamin B3 include chicken, turkey, tuna, and brown rice. Incorporating these vitamins into your diet can significantly enhance your muscle growth and overall fitness. A balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is the best way to ensure you get the essential vitamins needed for optimal muscle development and performance.